Hello student, today we are going to make winter scene. Let's see the material. For that you need fabric glue, stones, sellotape, one straw. If you have thermocol sheet, so you can take that one, or thermocol balls, one fluorescent blue color and one white color sheet and cellophane and sketch pens, one marker and one empty box. First we take our box and we will take our one part and just put it like this. For that we just take a mark, use your safety scissors and cut it. So you just take your take that paper and put it inside and cover it. Apply the glue and like this put this paper inside it. For that now we will take our white color sheet and we will make the snowman. So take a measurement of your box like this and fold it. Fold your sheet like this so that your snowman can stand properly. Fold your sheet like this and then open it and draw your snowman on it. How you will draw it? This folding part will be downside. Make a rectangle first and then make a square on the top side for making cap. A round small circle for face. A big size circle for downside part. Then make a scarf. Make two hands. Make eyes, nose. Make buttons. Now use your sketch pens and color it. Now you can see our snowman is ready. So now what we will do, जो आपका snowman है वहाँ से आपको एक straight line draw करनी है like this for the support. Now use your safety scissors and cut it like this on the boundary. Now use your safety scissors and cut along the boundary of your snowman as well. Now again take your box and put a hole in between your box with the help of pencil or other sharp things. Now use your glue and apply here to paste your snowmans. And you can apply the glue on the corners of the box and you can paste the pebbles. Now you can put the straw inside this hole, and now what you will do, if you don't have thermocol balls, you can take any thermocol glass and put it pieces inside like this. Now use your cellophane and cover it from the front part. Now blow through the straw. Make your craft. Bye.